Every day, more than 11.5 billion cans of Red Bull are sold around the world. It's the fuel for students pulling all-nighters, drivers on long roads, and athletes chasing their limits. But behind every single can lies a story of precision, chemistry, and industrial art. From the first fizz to the final seal, Red Bull's journey is a masterpiece of engineering. Each batch follows an exact formula, monitored by advanced technology and perfected by skilled technicians. Today, we're taking you inside one of the most fascinating factories on Earth, where science meets speed and consistency meets creativity. To see how one of the world's most iconic energy drinks is made. From raw ingredients to the moment it lands in your hand, ice cold and ready to give you wings. Red Bull isn't just a drink, it's a carefully engineered energy formula designed to boost alertness and focus. At the heart of it are a handful of key ingredients: taurine, caffeine, B vitamins, glucuronolactone, sucrose, and glucose. Each plays a very specific role. Taurine is an amino acid naturally found in the human body. It helps regulate energy levels and supports muscle and heart function. Caffeine, of course, is the world's favorite stimulant. It enhances concentration, reaction time, and endurance. B vitamins are vital for converting food into energy, helping the body stay efficient. Glucuronolactone is a naturally occurring substance that fights fatigue and supports physical performance. And finally, sucrose and glucose, simple sugars that provide a quick and accessible burst of fuel for the body. Individually, these components do little, but together, in Red Bull's precise proportions, they form the energetic punch that millions rely on every day. After sourcing, the ingredients arrive at the Red Bull production facility. Massive, gleaming halls filled with stainless steel tanks, pipes, and precision instruments. These tanks aren't just storage units. They're the heart of Red Bull's operation. Each one is carefully sterilized and climate-controlled, ensuring the purity of every batch. The process begins by combining measured amounts of caffeine, taurine, B vitamins, sugar, and carbonated water. The proportions are unbelievably exact. Even a slight variation could affect the taste, texture, or energy balance of the drink. Sophisticated digital systems continuously monitor the process, measuring everything down to the millimeter and adjusting in real time. The goal? Perfect consistency, so that every can, whether made in Austria or Brazil, tastes exactly the same. This mixture forms what Red Bull calls its energy base, a concentrated liquid that already contains the signature flavor and performance-boosting properties of the drink. Stainless steel plays a crucial role in Red Bull's production process. Every tank, pipe, and mixer in the facility is made from it, not just for durability, but for precision. Stainless steel is resistant to corrosion, easy to sanitize, and completely non-reactive, meaning it doesn't alter the drink's chemistry or flavor. This ensures that every drop of Red Bull remains pure, stable, and perfectly balanced, no matter where it's produced. As the ingredients blend, automated control systems continuously test the mixture for pH, density, and temperature, fine-tuning the formula in real time. Even the smallest variation triggers adjustments, guaranteeing consistency. Before moving to the next stage, each batch undergoes extensive laboratory testing, where scientists verify its composition, safety, and energy content. If any parameter falls short of Red Bull's standards, the batch is scrapped. No compromises. This precision isn't just about maintaining that signature taste. It's about ensuring safety, reliability, and trust. Energy drinks are tightly regulated, and Red Bull's rigorous standards ensure that every can delivers the same boost, flavor, and quality that's made it a global phenomenon. Once the formula is perfectly blended, it moves to the pasteurization process, a crucial stage that ensures every drop of Red Bull is as safe as it is energizing. Here, the mixture is heated to a carefully controlled temperature, just high enough to eliminate any harmful microorganisms without affecting its delicate balance of flavors, aroma, or nutrients. It's a science of precision. Too hot, and the taste could change. Too cool, and safety might be compromised. This process guarantees purity, safety, and shelf stability, allowing Red Bull to maintain its signature flavor no matter where it's sold. From the snowy peaks of the Alps to the bustling streets of Tokyo. Once the heat treatment is complete, the mixture is rapidly cooled in seconds. This sudden drop in temperature locks in freshness, stabilizes the formula, and preserves that crisp, invigorating taste. It's the moment where chemistry meets craftsmanship, transforming a complex liquid blend into a consistent, world-class energy drink, ready for carbonation and filling. With the energy mix ready, it's time for one of the most visually stunning stages of production, the filling line. Picture thousands of shining aluminum cans moving down a high-speed conveyor belt, washed, sterilized, and waiting to be filled. Each can is thoroughly cleaned using pressurized air and filtered water to eliminate even the tiniest particle of dust. Then, automated filling machines inject the precise volume of Red Bull into each can. No more, no less. These machines are capable of filling hundreds of cans per minute, with a margin of error so small it's measured in drops. Once filled, the cans are immediately sealed hermetically with aluminum lids. This airtight seal locks in carbonation, prevents contamination, and keeps the drink fresh for months. At this point, the Red Bull you know and love is born. Next comes labeling, an equally precise and automated process that transforms plain aluminum cans into the instantly recognizable icons we see on store shelves. Each can glides down the production line, passing through high-speed printers that apply Red Bull's signature silver and blue design with flawless precision. Every label is more than just decoration, it's information. Each one lists the ingredients, nutritional facts, storage guidelines, and expiration date, complying with strict food safety standards in more than 170 countries around the world. After labeling, robotic arms and conveyor belts take over, grouping cans into packs and shipping boxes with mechanical perfection. These systems operate at incredible speeds, ensuring every case is perfectly aligned and ready for transport. But the packaging isn't just about style or convenience, it's also a shield. The boxes are specially engineered to resist pressure, moisture, and heat, protecting the cans during long journeys across oceans and continents. By the time they leave the factory floor, each pack of Red Bull is a perfectly organized unit, durable, efficient, and ready to deliver energy to millions of people worldwide. Before any batch leaves the factory, it faces Red Bull's final test, quality control. This is where precision meets perfection. From each production run, random cans are pulled and put through rigorous testing. Pressure checks, leak detection, weight verification, and visual inspections for dents or misprints. Nothing escapes Red Bull's automated inspection systems. But machines aren't the only judges. Human experts also step in, sampling drinks in on-site labs to analyze flavor, carbonation, and energy content. If even one can fall short in taste, texture, or appearance, the entire batch is reviewed, reprocessed, or discarded. No shortcuts, no compromises. This zero-tolerance policy ensures that every Red Bull you open tastes exactly like the last. The same crisp fizz, clean kick, and dependable surge of energy every single time. For Red Bull, consistency isn't just quality control, it's part of who they are. Once approved, the cans are stacked onto pallets, hundreds of them, and prepared for shipment. Logistics at this scale are an operation in themselves. Red Bull's distribution system is mapped to deliver products as efficiently as possible to over 170 countries. Trucks, ships, and planes carry millions of cans daily to warehouses, retail stores, and vending machines around the world. Every shipment is tracked digitally to ensure freshness and traceability, right up until it reaches the consumer. The result? A perfectly chilled can, no matter where you are on the planet. Red Bull isn't just a beverage, it's a lifestyle. The company has built one of the most powerful marketing empires in history. From sponsoring Formula One teams and extreme sports, to funding music festivals and media companies, Red Bull has turned its energy drink into a symbol of adventure, performance, and creativity. But behind the stunts, the logos, and the wings, the real magic happens quietly. In sterile stainless steel tanks, precision labs, and humming conveyor lines, where science, technology, and human expertise unite to create a drink that has captured the world's energy. Think about it. That small can you grab from a store shelf has already been on an incredible journey, one that spans thousands of miles and countless hours of precision work. It's passed through factories, laboratories, and strict quality checkpoints, overseen by scientists, engineers, and technicians dedicated to perfection. It's been mixed, tested, pasteurized, sealed, packaged, and shipped. Every step fine-tuned to ensure that when you crack it open, it tastes exactly as it should. Crisp, refreshing, and ready to deliver that unmistakable burst of energy. Every sip represents meticulous craftsmanship, cutting-edge technology, and a relentless commitment to consistency and quality. It's more than just a drink. It's a symbol of innovation, performance, and passion. And that's what makes Red Bull not just an energy drink, but a global icon of drive and determination, a can that truly gives the world wings. From a handful of ingredients to billions of cans sold worldwide, Red Bull's journey is a masterclass in precision, innovation, and global teamwork. Every can is a product of science, technology, and human dedication, coming together to create the world's most recognizable energy drink. So the next time you pop open that familiar silver can, take a second to appreciate what's inside. Not just the energy, but the expertise, passion, and relentless effort behind every drop. If you enjoyed this inside look into how one of the world's most famous drinks is made, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss the next episode. And tell us in the comments, what product should we explore next?